birthday, Pot Pot. Well, there are so much to say about you since day one to now. But in all things, thank you for taking all my nonsense, all my shit, all my scolding, all my scold wrongly, and you're still here with me by my side throughout these years. Thank you for helping to keep Jet3 going and growing and growing each day, and your faithfulness and loyalty to Jet3. Without you, I think all of us will not be what we are today. And thank you for managing the teams as well. Give them the motivation and encouragement to upgrade their role. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Pot. I hope you will be happy on this day, as today is your birthday. And I know what's happening to you right now. And we know that you are a strong woman. And we know how long is your patience. So, still be patient. Please try to be happy. And whatever decision you will make, back up pa rin kami. Happy birthday, Miss Pot. Just stay strong and more patience. Love you.
Hi, Miss Pot. Happy birthday. So fast. Time flies. We already 1 year old together here in Jet3. So, one thing that I wish for you is, of course, good health, more blessings, and of course, sana matutupad na lahat ng mga pangarap mo. At isa lang masasabi ko, words can't begin to describe how deep and amazing and meaningful you are in our family, Jet3. Thank you for everything, and thank you for guiding us and teach us. Even though na busy ka, you have time to entertain. Lalo na ako nung first time ko dito sumali. Siyempre, ginawa nyo akong admin o ka-orientation. Hindi kayong nagsawa mag-support at mag-back up sa akin. Opo, ang galing nyo. Yun lang po. So, sana po hindi tayo magbabago, at saka always remember that you are a amazing person, you are braver, or you are smarter than you think. And of course, God is always bless our family, and of course to you, because you're special day today. And be strong and wish the best. Wala nang iba. Opo, sana po magkakaroon ka na ng baby. At sana po lahat ng gusto mo matutupad na. Happy birthday!
I just wanna say happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best. Sana lagi kang healthy, especially yung family mo. Sana okay sila palagi. At sana one day mag-heal ng tuluyan yung puso mo. At kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay, sana lagi mong iisipin na meron kang family na nandyan lagi sa tabi mo. Mga friends mo, kami, nandito lang kami palagi pag kailangan mo ng kausap. So, yung wish ko lang talaga makamove on ka na, and one day makikita mo din yung taong para sa iyo. So, keep praying on that, na maging okay ka na mawala na yung bigat sa dibdib mo. And again, happy birthday. We love you.
Hi, Miss Pot. Gandang umaga sa'yo. Birthday mo pala, Miss Pot. Happy na birthday pa. Wish you all the best in your birthday. Sana humaba pa ang buhay mo hanggat gusto mo. At sana matupad mo na rin yung mga wish wish mo sa buhay, wish mo sa buhay, magkaroon na kayo ng baby ng jowa mo. Para may libangan ka na rin dyan. Kasama habang nagbabantay ka ng tindahan mo. At good health sa iyo, Miss Pot. Yun lang. At sana maraming handa. Papansit ka na dyan. Happy birthday again, Miss Pot. God bless you.
Open cam daw, sabi ni Miss Pot. Open cam. Hi, Miss Pot. It's me, Dane, ang iyong kachismisan buddy sa mga balita. Naka-open cam ako. Gusto kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, Madam Pot, Miss Ann Pot. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin dito sa Jet3. Simula nung nag-join ako. Andito ako ngayon para batiin kita ng happy birthday. Sana yung pinaka-wish mo ngayong birthday mo is matupad na. Gusto mo ng biyaya. Ano bang biyaya ang gusto mo? Biyaya ng may kapal. Sana magdilang anghel ako. Sana makamtan mo na yung biyayang ninanais mo. Happy birthday, Miss Pot. Thank you very much. Take care always. Health first. Health is wealth. Sabi nga nila, ingatan mo lagi ang health mo. Huwag ka na masyadong magpuyat. Kailangan mo ng stress. Ano yun? Dapat hindi ka na-stress. Kailangan mo mag-beauty rest every day. Beauty ka na, pero dagdagan mo pa ng beauty rest. Alam kong masaya ka ngayon kung nasaan ka man dyan sa Pilipinas. Alam kong masaya ka. Sana magdagdag pa ng biyaya. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng isang pinakagusto mong biyaya. Para lalong maging 100%. Hindi na 100% ka naman na masaya, pero sana madagdag din ng isang supling. Love you, Miss Pot. Happy birthday again. Open cam, close cam na ako. Bye bye.
Hello, Miss Pot! Sabi nila, birthday mo daw ngayon. Happy birthday to you, Miss Pot. And I hope na masaya ka sa birthday mo. And wish you all the best in life. And I pray to God na bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay and good health always and more blessings sa family mo. And thank you so much also, Miss Pot, kasi bago kami nag-join dito sa Jet3, syempre, dadaan talaga kaming lahat sa'yo. Thank you sa mga invitations na binigay mo sa amin. And I am so glad na nakilala kita. Thank you kasi isa ka sa mabait na mga admins. And I hope na magkita tayo soon. hindi pa kita nakikita. Pero alam ko na mabait ka. And yun lang po, Miss Pot. I'm praying na more birthdays to come. God bless you always. I love you.
Mwah! Happy birthday, Miss Pot. Sana maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at sana dumami pang iyong kahugutan. Rayna ng hugot. Siya, happy birthday. Magpakain ka na dyan.
Hello, Miss Pot. Happy birthday. Sana ngayong birthday mo, masaya ka. Sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. At pinagdarasal ko sa Diyos na sana yung hinihiling mo na matagal na maibigay niya. Sana magkaroon ka na ngayong taon ng baby. Yun ang hinihiling ko na sana matupad. Kasi yun din ang pangarap mo. Sana ngayong birthday mo, maging healthy ka lagi. At maging successful yung mga gusto mong mangyari. Thank you rin na kahit makulit ako, di ka nagsasawang magpaliwanag sa akin. Thank you so much ha, Miss Pot. Sobrang bait mo talaga sa akin. Thank you. Sobrang haba ng pasensya mo po. Ngayong birthday mo, yun lang pinagdarasal ko talaga na matupad yung mga pangarap mo. At yung magkaroon ka na ng baby. Sana ngayong taon magkaroon ka na po. Pinagdarasal ko. Thank you so much, Miss Pot. Ulit, happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love you, Miss Pot. I love you.
Hello, Miss Pot. Happy birthday. Thank you sa guide mo sa mga member, sa aming lahat. Maraming salamat. Sana maging happy ang buong, hindi lang araw, kundi month, year sa'yo. More blessing to come. Happy birthday, Miss Pot.
Happy birthday to you, Miss Pot and Miss Habibti. I wish you both good health, more blessing come true, and more birthday to come. Happy birthday. God bless you both.
Hi Miss Pot, happiest birthday to you. Wishing you all the best in life. Please stay healthy and more birthday to come. More candle to blow and of course more hugot to come. And happy birthday. God bless you, Miss Pot. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Miss Pot. Happy birthday. Kahit dito lang tayo nagkilala sa video. Babati ka rin ako ng happy birthday. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Good health and ingat ka palagi dyan. God bless you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Pot. Wishing you all the best in life, good health, more candles to blow, and long life. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Miss Pot. Happy birthday. Wishing you always good health and sana matupad na lahat ng mga wishes mo sa buhay. Sana magkaroon ka na nga ng baby. God bless you more. And sana more blessings and happiness in life. Happy birthday!
Hello, Miss Pot. Happy birthday!
Hi, Miss Pot. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Hope you have more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Miss Pot. Happy birthday! I wish you all the best of your life. Sana matupad mo na yung pangarap mo na magkaroon ka na ng baby soon. Yung marami.
Hello, Miss Putput. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and I hope all your birthday wishes will become true. Once again, happy birthday and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Miss Pot! I wish you all the best and more birthday to come and more blessing to come and happiness. Happy birthday po! Enjoy your day! Wish you all the best. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Good luck. Bye!
Hi, Miss Pot. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best and good luck and good health saka more success pa. then syempre good health. Keep safe always. Thank you.
Happy birthday po, Miss Ann Putput. Happy birthday. And wishing you all the best. At wish ko rin na and thank you sa pag-guide niyo po sa amin for being one of the leader of Jetri Fam. Thank you po. Thank you. And God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Miss Po. Thank you for guiding us since first day until now. Sa patient mo na magturo sa amin. Salamat, Miss Po. Happy birthday po ulit. More beans to come. Happy birthday!
Hello, Miss Pot. Happy birthday po. Thank you for everything and God bless you. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Miss Potpot. God bless you.
Hi, Inang Reyna. Happy birthday po. Wishing you a day full of love, happiness, more blessing, more dayas. Inang Reyna, ang napakagandang ina natin dito sa family. Masasabi ko lang sa'yo, napaka mabuti mo. And thank you sa mga advice na hugot. Anong hugot natin today, Inang Reyna? Hayaan mo muna yung hugot. Enjoy mo muna yung moments mo today. Okay? Inang Reyna. Bye-bye. And Momo Chup Chup. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday po, Miss Pot. More birthday to come. God bless. Stay pretty and more RC. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.